Hello, so today we are answering the question, express each number in scientific notation. So it's important to understand what scientific notation is. Scientific notation is a way for people to write really small numbers and really big numbers in a visually understandable, easily understandable way. So you'll notice that some of these numbers have tons of zeros or tons of decimal points. That's not really the best way for us to say that number. An easier way is to use scientific notation. So scientific notation has two parts. The first part, we'll begin with A as an example, is to write the non-zero numbers in that number as a number between 1 and 10. Okay, that means using a decimal point. So for A, it doesn't make sense to write 0.7. The easiest way or the best way to write 7 as a number between 1 and 10 is to write it like this, 7.0. Okay, and then the second part of scientific notation is a multiple of 10. So if we take that 7.0, how many decimal points do we have to move it to get the decimal point after that last O in 700? 2. We moved the decimal point 2 times to the right, so it would be times 10 to the second. Times 10 to the second. All right, let's do the next one. 38 as a number between 1 and 10. Well, we wouldn't write 38 and we wouldn't write 0.38. We would write 3.8. And now similarly, how many times do we have to move that decimal point to get it to the end of the last zero? Let's begin at the 3.8 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's times 10 to the fourth power. It's positive because we're moving the decimal points to the right. If you think of a number line, any number to the left of 0 is negative and any number to the right of 0 is positive. So when we move our decimal point to the right, we are moving in the positive direction. It's a positive exponent. All right, let's go on to C. Okay, so this should be 4.5 times 10 to the, all right, well, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the sixth power. Next one. Well, it wouldn't be 68.5 and it wouldn't be 685 and it wouldn't be 0.685 to get it to be a number between 1 and 10. It would be 6.85 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. To the 11th power. Okay. Okay, how would we write this number as a number between 1 and 10? 5.4 times 10. Now notice we're moving the decimal point backwards to the left. 1, 2, 3. So it's to the negative third power. Okay, so to continue, let's begin with F. All right, so how do we write 687 as a number between 1 and 10? Well, .87 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the negative 6. Remember, we're moving the decimal point to the left, so it is negative. Next, 7.6 times 10 to the, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the negative 8. Next, 8.0 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the negative 10. I hope that helped.